This is Nancy and welcome back to my channel. We're going to be making this Dollar Tree truck that comes with the two sides into this truck. It has an actual bed, a cab, so it gives it more of a realistic look, and you can actually put some stuff in the back there. So first you have to take these little pieces of wood out inside. What I did was heat up my spatula here, the Cricut spatula, heat it up a little bit and heat this area here, and so just slide that back there, and this thing will just slide right off. And that's what I did with this one here already. See, they just came right off. Okay, and the next thing we're going to do, we're going to use a 1-inch paper punch and cut 4 circles for the hubcaps. I got this paper from Hobby Lobby. It's like a silver crinkly, which that would be great for the hubcaps. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then we'll slide those right out. This one wants to be a little bugger. There we go. 4. Gonna use my art glitter glue that I have in this little handy dandy container, and make sure you're on the inside. So you want the hubcaps not to cover the wheels on the front. So the 1-inch fits just right in there. See? And just press down a little bit, and there you go, a little hubcap. Do that for all 4. And here we go. So we got the 4 hubcaps all done. So now we're going to go to the bed of the truck and the hood, and then the back of the truck on the cab. The bed of the truck, you're going to use 4 Jenga blocks glued together. I used Gorilla Wood glue. Put 4 together, and then 1 you stand it up on its end, so you'll have this. This will be the bed of the truck. Then for the front of the truck, same thing, but instead of 4 you use 3 and 1 standing down. So that'll be this part of the truck. And then for this part of the truck, you need 3 standing up on its end, and that'll go right back here like this. We'll see that when we start gluing them together. Okay, so we're going to get one of the sides of the truck, and see, we're going to put the bed just right where this part is here, right above that part, so you don't cover so this will go like this, and just inside. So you're gonna, let's try this again. I'm gonna put this here, the back of the cab, like this. You're gonna leave a little space on top, about 1/8 of an inch or less, because we're gonna use the popsicle sticks to finish the top of the cab. See that? So just a little bit under, we're gonna glue that in. Let's do that first. Okay, so let me turn this so you can see it. So right at the back on this part of the truck, you're gonna just slightly under. Make sure that it's a little, there we go. There we go. Now you get the bed of the truck, and you're gonna put it right above this line here, and then just butt this up to this piece over here. So you're gonna put glue on the end here and on the bottom end. So here and here. So just put it up right above the wheel well, or the fender, and then you look around. Something's under here. Okay. Just press down a bit on it. And there we go. Now we're going to go do the same thing and glue the front. The front, we're going to put it right at the edge of where the cab is here, over here. And just before the headlight there. So it'll be right where that window ends. I don't know if you can see that. See where that window ends? So you're gonna put it, oops. Let's put this back. Okay. I'll show you in a second. I'm gonna put glue on this side and glue on that side. Let's turn the truck around so you can see it. You want this to miss that headlight in the front here. You're gonna go with the angle of the hood there, and just like that. So it hits the side view mirror there. Just bring it down a little bit. So that way it gives you a little 1/16 of an inch right there. Okay. Turn it around. And then we're going to finish the bottom of the cab here. So you're going to use 1, 2, 3 blocks, glue side to side. Let's move this up. And this I just did it because you won't really see it much over here. What did I do? This way. Let's put these together while I talk. You won't see those are in there that much, but I thought it made it look like a finished product. So it just goes like this, and then you're going to have another piece standing on end. Like this. And once this dries, this piece will go right in here. But I'm gonna let that dry first. I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. So we're going to glue this piece to right in here. So you're gonna put glue on the top here and on the sides here. Just put it in, and it fits just above that running board. So just press a little bit like that. Then you're gonna get another single piece of the mini tumbling towers. See, this is gonna go right in here. That's just to keep this from falling and closing up that end. Oh, can I do it this way? Nope, not big enough. Should we just put glue right there? Nope. And at the bottom. Okay. Just like that. Like I said, you won't see this part here because it's too deep inside the cab, but I thought it was nice to have it finished. So this is what you're gonna have on this side of the truck. Okay. So you need a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 Jenga blocks. Okay, so we're gonna let that dry a bit, and then we'll just glue this side of the truck to that side and just line it up like we did the other side. So you'll put glue all around the edges of this side of the blocks. Okay, and then line this up here. The best way to line it up is through from the cab and right here. So just line it up like that. Press it down a bit. You'll see some of the Jenga block there, but there'll be no problem. Stand it up, make sure that it's even. Okay, stands up even. Okay, now we're going to put something heavy on it. I'll just put my hot glue gun on it. It's pretty heavy. And just wait till it dries up. I'll be right back. Okay, this should be dry by now. Here we go. See, you got the bed of the truck, the cab of the truck, and the hood. And this is what the bottom looks like. Okay, now we're going to do the top and the windshield of the truck. We're going to use these are the jumbo craft sticks from, I think, Lowe's. I think 2 of them fit just right in there. Yeah. So we're going to cut the round part off. Let's move this a little bit. I don't think we need this anymore. Stay. I'm going to get my metal edge ruler. There we go. And I'm going to turn it. I'm a lefty, so I need to move things the other way. And just score a couple times. I have too many things on this thing that makes it slide. You can cut these with regular scissors. Not your sewing scissors, of course. But I can't grip that well right now. So, just score a couple times and snaps right off. Okay. So we're gonna get the truck. Let's see, right there. There we go. So you're gonna put the popsicle stick at the end of the cab here of the Jenga block, and you're gonna see where this bends down for the windshield. You're gonna mark that there. There we go. So just a little bit back. There we go. Okay. Then we're going to cut those off. Oops. Just trim it off with your scissors. There we go. You gotta do a dry fit over here again. And it goes to the end of the Jenga block and right there. There's a little piece. There we go. There to there. Okay, so we're going to take this and mark it. Now we're going to do a dry fit again. There and there. Let's see. There we go. It's a little bit shorter, but once you glue it down, it'll stay in place there. And we'll glue that down, and then we've measured it for the headlight for the windshield. So we're going to put glue on the top of these Jengas over here, or tumbling towers. And you're going to try to put it towards the center where the opening's over here, because we could fill it in with spackling later. There we go. It's a little forward, so I'll just move it back a little bit. Make it even. Oh, too much. You want this piece in the front to be flush with this piece here on both sides. So when you do this for the windshield, it'll be like that. Okay, so we'll wait till this dries, then we can move on. Okay, this is dry now. Now you're gonna get the popsicle stick that you were cutting from. You're going to put it, see, can you see right there? You're going to line it up to the bottom to where you can see this part of the truck right here, like that. And then with your pencil from the back, you draw a line. Okay, we'll do a dry fit. Make sure this one fits right. It's going to lean up against the top here and then at the bottom. So be like this and like that. So you see, you have this much left there, and this would like that, and mark it. So you need only one popsicle stick for this one. Got moved a little, but there we go. And the part that you cut an angle at will go right there. You see how that fits right there nicely? And down to the bottom here. So now we're going to glue at the top and at the bottom. Just put it up. Like I said, these popsicle sticks are a little bit shorter than the width there. So just make sure that the, where did I cut it? Here. That they meet in the middle. So you have a, oh yeah, I didn't think about that either. Put glue, which side? Glue in the middle here. Down the side. Don't have words today. So clean that up. Actually fits better here. Oop, there. So I would put glue on the sides. Sorry about that. You know, those Jenga blocks are not all created equal. So you might have some that are whiter than others. There we go. We want to bring it down so it could be a little bit flush on top here. There we go. Going to get some of my painter's tape. Come and hold this down here while it dries. And hold down this side. So far we got the bed of the truck, the hood, the cab, the undercarriage, the hubcaps. So once this dries, we're going to see adding some spackling in some spots. There we go. Make sure that the two parts of the windshield are nice and snug so that they'll dry together. So I'll be back once all this is dry. Okay, while the windshield is drying, we're gonna get these bamboo skewers that I got at Dollar Tree, mark it, and then with my little wire snippers here, see, I can't, my grip is not that great. I'll put some glue right here. This gives it a nice little three-dimensional look on this side. Like that. See? And then we'll mark it for the back. Right there. Cut it again. Oh. Turn it carefully. I'm gonna add the glue here at the bottom. Just place that there. Just press it down. Get off the glue. That was sliding down. Okay, now we wait for all that to dry. Doesn't that look cute on the side? You can see the little running rails. Be right back. Okay, the windshield should be dry. There we go. You can keep it like this and you start painting, but I like to go the extra mile. I'm gonna get my spackling. Need to get a new one. It's almost done over. Right here on the top where the 2 popsicle sticks meet, I'm gonna just rub it in there, and that should. It probably won't make it disappear completely, but it will make it less noticeable. And right here at the top where the windshield meets the top, same thing here. And at the bottom where it meets the hood, right around here, just bring it up a little bit. There we go. And then on the hood itself, I put it on the Jenga block so it looks like one piece of wood instead of several pieces stuck together. And on the side where it meets the truck, there we go. And anywhere you think. Okay. We're gonna let that putty set or spackling set a little bit. And then sand it down, and we'll be back and start ready to paint. Okay, I'm back. I sanded everything down. I sanded where all the spackling was, and I also went and got some washi tape and taped off the windshield, the grill, and the back window, so you don't have to do all that. So just take a 1/4 inch washi tape, and then with my Waverly ink, grab it, some of the paint, just paint away from the tape. That helps with the bleeding in some cases. You know what I did wrong? I should have painted the car the blue first. I have to be careful about painting around the. I did the blue first on the other one. Oh well, you live and learn. So now we're going to switch. We're going to paint the bed of the truck, and I'm using antique Waverly wax, antique ink. I'm gonna go and keep on painting, and I'm just gonna do a fast forward because it's just the painting of the truck. I do a layer of the blue first, and then I come with darker and highlights, and just keep on until you have the look that you're looking for. Okay, I'm done with the painting. This, just take it to the sink and wash it off, and the surface is nice and clean. Here is the truck that I just finished. I had done something around the little side view mirror, but I didn't like the way it looked, so I put it back to blue. So here's the other one I did. They look a little different. Each one, I just keep on shading and shading and shading in here, darkening, lightening, until I like the way it looks. So right here, you got two little trucks. You can put something in the back. I made some Jenga, the mini tumbling tower pumpkins. I don't know if they'd be too big for the back. Oh no, just perfect size. Isn't that cute? Little pumpkin.